All right, this is what I got so far. The bridge installed. It's cold out here, windy. Got a car on it. 8-foot curve up here. I'm not going back to any small curves anywhere. This is much easier. I'm gonna connect the bottom to the top also, and use this Henry's this tar. It's really nasty stuff, but it should be completely waterproof when I'm done with it. So I used the Henry, this stuff, roof coating. It's I don't know, 38 degrees out here, and I used it. It's probably not a good idea. But I painted it. I rolled the whole thing on and used a brush to get into most of the crevices and whatnot. And it's sticky. It'll dry. I mean, it's roofing material, but I don't know in direct sunlight, like over this side, which will be in direct sunlight. That's more shade back there. But I may have to dust it with stone dust to stop it from being sticky. I did it out here now because I know there's no birds and squirrels and mice. Everything's dormant. I didn't want anything to get stuck to this, so that's why I did it now. And if it's still sticky in like 2-3 days, I'm gonna come out here and just dust it with stone dust. This is coming along. Got the bridge in. Got the hoses insulated, so it's coming along. So I had done a video before about the 4-foot curves and all the different size curves, and I was trying to find an intermediate curve between the 5-foot and the 8-foot curves that I had. So I'm not running any 4-foot. 5-foot on the top and minimum 8-foot on the bottom. But up here, to get intermediate turns, you can mix the 8-foot and the 5-foot and get different turns here. So you got 8, 8, 8, and then 5 to make that last little bit of turn. And then it's in the center, it's 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, and then an 8 to make the turn out. So that's how I figured that out. And the curves look pretty wide. I'm pretty happy with it. Do a little video of my tool cart. It's a little gorilla cart. Wife got me. Keep everything on it, and I just rolled around the yard like a 5-year-old pulling his wagon. It works. It's 4-wheel drive too. Goes over anything with the tires. Pull it anywhere.